Okay guys, so listen to how loud this chair is. God, that is slow. Okay guys, so right now we're at the Richmond Science Museum and I'm really bored. Oh, you just saw the Body Worlds exhibit. It's pretty good. I just heard thunder. We gotta get inside. Yeah. Oh, I hope. Water just got on this iPod. Yeah, that was unfortunate. Now I gotta go inside. Because we're gonna have a little bit of a sun shower, sort of. Yeah, the trains out here, and Ross is vlogging because every time I vlog, he's got to pull out his camera and vlog. So he's a copycat. Yeah, trains over here. I'm gonna go up there. Look at this big chest. These big chests, whatever they're called, things to play chess with. Checkers. It's too bad I don't know how to play checkers. Otherwise, that would be awesome. Yeah, Thursday we're gonna be going to a Peninsula Pilots game. Okay, we gotta get inside. Because it's thunder. We gotta get inside now, so yeah. Oh.
Yeah, did you get it on?
Look at that. Oh, I'm trying not to get this wet. Look at that water. Oh yeah, look at that. Mom didn't want to get her sandals wet, so she holds.
Well, I thought I was going to walk out in the rain, but I'm not going to walk out in the rain when it's like that. Look at it.
It's not that bad. It's only raining cats and dogs.
Not that bad. What would you think is bad?
Overweight cats and dogs.
You're crazy.
Oh, I should have brought my other camera.
I think it's going to stop in a few minutes once these clouds.
No, it was a motor. This iPod is not waterproof, so this is bad. Oh, I just saw lightning. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, we gotta get inside now. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna end this vlog. There's today's. And we need this game tonight, otherwise we can't make the playoffs. Alright guys, so we finally got into the car. Yeah, this vlog has gone way longer than I wanted it to. I even said there's today's day to vlog a couple times. I think I'm probably gonna edit that out, but yeah. Or you could just edit that part in it. Yeah. I'm talking to the camera. Don't judge me. Yeah, this is what happens when you get bored. I know. Just our luck. Like, this is the second time this has happened when we come to this museum. Wow, look at that big cloud. Oh, yeah. Oh. I got my Doritos. Pepsi. Yeah, good stuff. This is probably like a 5-minute video. Oh, boy. About. Yeah. Or not. I was talking about it. There's today's daily vlog. Finally, that's the end of it. Unless something crazy happens. I'm leaving. Peace.